Okay, you guys, if you are ready to see some excited little girls, come with me to open up this Barbie soccer ball. So this is so fun. This is Team Barbie Roll and Reveal, and this is amazing. So it comes in packaging like this, and then I'm gonna pull out the actual soccer ball. But what happens is when you open it, inside of it, there is a Barbie. There are accessories. It has this ball inside of it. That's where everything comes out of. So you roll it on the ground, and then it pops open and you get to see which Barbie you have, as well as all of the other accessories. You guys, this is the most fun idea I've ever heard of. I have 3 little girls. They are all equally as obsessed with Barbie. So this is a huge hit in my house. Now, let's roll this ball, see what my daughter gets, and see her reaction. Okay, so once you get it out of the packaging, it looks just like this. It is the cutest little soccer ball. It gives you really great instructions on exactly what to do this correctly. And it also comes with a little sticker pack, which is so fun. So when you're ready to do it, you're gonna remove this little blue guy from the hole right here, just like that. And then it is gonna be ready to roll. So the instructions tell us pretty clearly what we're going to do. We remove the blue clip, and then we are going to be ready to roll the ball. So let's roll it together. All right, you guys, look at that. You roll it, it pops, she twists open. You can see the excitement on my daughter's face. That is like the coolest little surprise Barbie I have ever seen. Now, this is so fun. I'm going to give you a close-up of what comes with it. So you've got the Barbie. She's so excited to open up the little surprise packaging. It comes with some Barbie cones, a soccer ball, a trophy, all of the really, really fun soccer-related items, and she is seriously so excited. So she's pulling it all out. It's so fun because the soccer ball is just such a grand opening. It is seriously so cool, and I love that you could see the surprise on her face of how awesome that was. So you guys, if you have got kiddos that like Barbies, this is an amazing thing to get them, or a great present to give their friends. Honestly, however you want to do it, but this is everything that came in it. So fun, new Barbie, all the soccer accessories. Now hop on and check this one out.